Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now I actually don't have a screen lock set, so I'm gonna quickly do that right now. And there we go. So I do have a screen lock set right now. So let's quickly lock the device. And here we go, and I need to confirm my PIN. So I'm gonna start off from here, and obviously I'm on a lock screen, so I'll progress from it as though I wouldn't know it. And number one, what you want to do is hold your power key and select power off. Once your tablet is off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So quickly try to press both of them. There we go. As you can see, this boots us into bootloader, I believe that's what it is. So now using volume keys, you want to scroll through the options that are obviously visible right here. We're looking for recovery mode. Once it's visible, press power key, confirm it. And in here, again using volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset. So there we go, and then confirm it with power key. Select factory data reset, again confirm that, and at the bottom you should see data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again. This will initiate a reboot of the device and continue the factory reset in the background. Now this should take about like a minute to finish up, and once it has, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your tablet however you want. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.